Hello everyone, welcome back to the SM tutorial, and now I am here with another student of the SM tutorial, and he is one of the most youngest student of this coaching center. And mainly we came here for a math. I will give him some math, and those are called mainly mental math. And the name of the math which he need to do, that is arranging the following numbers in increasing order. This means I will give him some numbers and he will arrange those in small to large, which is called increasing order. So can you solve this, Fayaz?
Yeah, this is easy math for me.
Yeah, he said that is easy. So yeah, we already give an example here. So solve the first math. We are here to see. And yeah, we can see he is solving, and we will see is it correct or not. Yeah, still he's going on. And okay, just one thing is left now, and then we will see the final result. Okay, we can see he solved it, and let's see is it correct or not. Yeah, we can see this is correct. Wow, congratulations, you solved it perfectly. So we can understand that he solved the mental math, and of course this was not very much hard. By the way, he is talented, that's why he solved this one. So of course, congratulations for you. Let's enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for now.